If you are working on your composition and you want to move the object on the side of the view and it not allow you to move out of the frame, and you don't want to move with your camera, you can change the position manually here. But there is also a shortcut for it. So while I have the selection of move, I hit Ctrl and left mouse button, and I'm moving with the mouse to sides to change the location on the X-axis. When I hit Ctrl and right mouse button, I'm moving with the object on the Y-axis, and the Ctrl left and right mouse button, I'm moving with it. It transforms the object on the Z-axis. It's working also with the rotation, so I select the rotate, Ctrl left mouse button, rotate around X, Ctrl right mouse button, rotate around Y, Ctrl left and right mouse button, rotate around Z. And it works also with the scaling, so I hit scaling, Ctrl left mouse button, and it's scaling.